Hi, my name is Jillian Tinkel, and I am a high incidence special education teacher in Wamego, Kansas. I teach at Central Elementary, which is a K through 2 building. We also have a preschool within our building that focuses up more on the special education aspect. So we do a half peer model, half special education program in our preschool, and that's also housed in the school I work in. I am a mom to a almost 3-year-old. Here in a couple of days, he'll be 3. His name is Corbin, and I've been married to my husband for about 6 years. We live in the little town Wamego, and we absolutely love it here. So, I am getting my master's degree in elementary education and also in special education. My goal here, professionally, within the next 1 to 5 years would be to take on the role of our special education director in the co-op that I work in here in Wamego. So our director right now is currently getting ready to retire. So hopefully I can shadow and fulfill all he's done for our school and for our co-op in our town. So I would say that would be kind of my dream job. I hope to take on that role and be in that position for a long time. I have kind of been drawn to special education for many different reasons. When I was in college for my bachelor's degree, I was offered a position on a home team for a little boy who had autism spectrum disorder. And after that, I just fell in love with the world of special education, and that's where my heart is, and that's kind of where I want to be. So I would say within the next 10, 15, 20 years, I hope to still have that job and to just be keeping the world of special education alive, and all the resources that we have, just keep on finding them to help the kids as much as I can. So personally, I think within the next 1 to 5 years, I hope to be done with my second degree and possibly having our second child. That is in discussion right now. So we definitely want to have another baby, but I need to get through school first, and that's my main focus right now. I love being in our small town, like I said before, in Wamego, and I think that's just where we want to be. I love being in this town. I love being with familiar faces. I don't have to, necessarily worry about a lot of stuff here. Our town is so community based. There's people always willing to help, and that's just the town and feel I love to be in. So personally, I hope just to grow as a mom, grow as an educator, grow as a director, and be the best I can be for my staff and my students, and learn all I can to make sure that the services and implementations that we're putting into place are the best that they can be for our school and for our kids. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the new direction, and hopefully we can stay in this little town forever. It's a great town, it's a great community, and this is where I want to be and where I want to teach. And so, yeah, I chose Fort Hays State University for a few reasons, actually. I love the aspect that it was all online, and I could do it in the comfort of my home. If I had time, after school, I could sit down and really focus on my studies and not be rushed or not have to go to class and miss out on my family time. So there was evenings where, I could spend all evening with my son and put him to bed, and then I could get online and work on my homework. So that's one aspect why I chose Fort Hays State University, is because I have not missed out one bit on parenting, on being a teacher, and I haven't had to put my family on the back burner because I had to be in a classroom, or I had to go and meet with my professors. There was always a time that I set aside with if my son was taking a nap, I could jump online, work on an assignment. When he woke up, I could go to being a mom. And that was a huge, huge aspect for me when I chose Fort Hays State. I did not want to miss out on being a mom, and I've definitely not had to do that. So another reason I chose Fort Hays State University was because of the cost, really. It was one of the most prestige schools with one of the lower costs. So I knew that just because the cost was lower, I wasn't going to lack in any instruction. The instruction has been phenomenal. I've learned so much, and I haven't had to seek information anywhere else. Any questions I've had, any doubts I've had, I was able to reach out to one of my professors or my advisor, and they always had the answers. So I knew, regardless of being online, that I was going to get the best education, the best information, the newest and latest information, right at my fingertips, really. I was so impressed with how quick my advisor is to respond, how quick it is to get your homework done and get that feedback on what you need. So Fort Hays State was really a no-brainer when I chose it. I loved the program outline. I loved everything I needed was right there online. I could look and see what classes I needed to take, what they were about before I even enrolled in them. And really, I was drawn into the fact that I had a couple of friends who had taken it, and they spoke so highly of the program. So I knew I was going to be in the right place when I enrolled. So I had no reservations about enrolling at Fort Hays State University, and I can say now that I'm ending the program, I absolutely would recommend this program to anybody because the information I've received is beyond what I could have ever imagined. And I'm so excited to take it into my new role when and if I get that role. But I'm also excited to go ahead and take that position right now and not even have to think twice about, is the information I got enough? Is the information I have, do I need more? Do I need to find a different college? Absolutely not. I knew everything that I was getting was top of the line and phenomenal. And for that, I couldn't have asked for any more. Fort Hays State is absolutely one of the best colleges, and I would highly recommend it to anybody seeking a degree. So that's a little about me, and I'm excited to start my career. Thank you for everything you all have done at Fort Hays State, and I'm excited to start my journey.